My name is Razan Ramahi, and I'm from Jordan. I finished medical school at the Jordan University of Science and Technology, and then worked for about a year and a half in King Hussein Cancer Center in Amman, and then moved here to the U.S. I completed both my residency and fellowship at the University of Arizona in Tucson. I love infectious diseases because it's a very intellectual field where you sort of work as a detective every time you see a patient, trying to see what's complicating their care, infectious versus non-infectious. You use a lot of internal medicine as well in your thought process and in thinking. And at the end, in most cases, you get to help the patient and make them feel better. When I first sit down with a patient, I want to gain their trust because I am about to ask them personal details about their life and about their health. I'm also giving them my undivided attention and really listening to what they have to say and what they're going through and how it's affecting their life, because that's part of the therapy process as well. During my training, I realized that I'm really passionate about teaching and contributing to teaching the new generation of physicians, residents, and students. And so that's one part that's appealed to me about working in academic medicine. The other part is a more complicated patient population, usually in tertiary referral centers, which is also an appealing quality, and the support for research as well. I grew up knowing that I wanted to be a doctor. I had that strong sense that I wanted to help people at their most, when they're most at need. And I remember one of my favorite books as a child was a childhood, like a biology book on the human body. I read it like 100 times. So I enjoy spending time with my daughter and my husband. We do a lot of arts and crafts projects. I also like to ride my bike, and I just recently started relearning how to play the piano.